Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware and account. Put the Quest 2 on, make sure it's charged above 50%, and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, open settings and confirm microphone access is enabled. This lets voice packets leave the device. Next, check you're signed into the same Oculus account on both the headset and the mobile app, because mismatched sessions block voice routing. This first step prevents simple permission or sign-in barriers before deeper fixes. Now focus on network and in-app voice routing. You test latency and aim for under 100 milliseconds because high ping drops voice packets. Make sure your party or app chat privacy is set to open or friends. Private blocks can mute you. Then toggle voice chat off and on in settings to restart the service. This forces the Quest to renegotiate audio streams. If the mobile companion app offers a voice toggle, make sure both ends match. Since inconsistent states break the microphone path. Finish by power cycling both the Quest 2 and your router. A reboot clears stale network leases and reloads audio drivers. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after you back up saved data, because that rebuilds system files tied to voice. Finally, inspect your NAT type. Strict NAT or closed UDP ports can block peer voice traffic, so open required UDP ports on your router. Troubleshooting tip: if voice still fails, test another headset or phone to narrow whether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.